What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you another method, another strategy that you can actually deploy right today that can show you how to make money with Clickbank without doing all the hard work. So no website creation, no building an email list, no creating YouTube videos, right? So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get right to the business, how you're going to take your Clickbank offer and put it in front of very, extremely targeted customers, and you can actually take that traffic and it can turn into some Clickbank commissions for you. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and get to the business. All right, guys, so I'm here at clickbank.com, and before we actually jump right into this method, if this is the very first time you come to my channel, welcome. Again, my name is John McNeil. On this channel, we teach you about entrepreneurship, making money online, and affiliate marketing. So if any of those things interest you, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make money with Clickbank without the websites, without the email list, without creating the videos. I'm going to show it to you right now and right here. So we're here at clickbank.com, and what we're going to do is we're just going to find a high converting offer really quick. I clicked on the marketplace, and typically now what you can do if you just want to find a really quick high converting offer, you can just click on this little button here, this little hourglass, and it kind of just brings up all the high converting products that are selling on Clickbank right at this moment. So I can scroll down here and I can find anything really. So I can go with this Organifi product. It pays out at $71 per sale. It has a really high gravity, so we know that this Organifi product is selling, right? So I have my product. I know it's a high converting product, but I do need to get my product in front of targeted people. I want to find the people that are online right now that may be interested and that are looking to improve their health, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to obviously create an affiliate link. I'm going to get my affiliate link because you're going to need that in order to make money. So you would just click on this little promote button and you get your unique affiliate ID. So what do you do with that affiliate ID? What we're going to do is we're going to jump over to this website called BuySellAds.com, BuySellAds.com. And what this website is a conglomerate of big blogs and websites that gets tons of traffic already, and they have big audiences, and they're getting hundreds of thousands and millions of views every single month, and they're in all different niches, right? So what I can do is I can actually click on the marketplace here on BuySellAds, and they give you different categories here, or you can just use the search button up here to search in the different niche that you're looking for. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on, so we chose Organifi as our product. So I'm just going to click on beauty and fashion category. And I'm going to look at any of these websites really. So this first one is Long Hair Care Forum. So this is probably a forum about women that want to care for their hair. So if they care about their hair, they'll more likely care about their bodies and staying healthy. And if someone is overweight, maybe they want to lose weight. So this could be a potential website that I could use to go ahead and market my Organifi product. Now with BuySellAds, what you're basically doing is you're marketing your product or your service with banners. So what this whole website is about is you're able to place banners on these high targeted, high trafficked websites, and you're going to get that traffic from these websites. So again, this website, is saying the monthly impressions is nearly 800,000 impressions. So, I mean, there's a lot of people going to these websites. You can actually pop over to Simpler Web too and get the exact traffic stats on here. But essentially, if you go down here and you look at the website, there are sponsorships, so banner ad placement opportunities that I could actually place my banner ad on this website. So you can see here, there's a 25 by 25. There's and there are different placements on the different websites, but you can see here with this first 125 by 125. So they're estimating that you would get 262,000 impressions. And basically you can have that banner up for a time period of 30 days for $150. So that's pretty cheap for a website that is getting a ton of traffic that is in your target market, because these individuals are probably, if they're caring about their hair, they're probably caring about their bodies too. So it's a great way to kind of tap into a targeted group that could potentially buy a lot of your different products. And you can see that, for $150 for 30 days, and you make $71 per sale here on the Organifi Clickbank product. So you only need to make 2 sales to really break even. And if you make anything over that, you've definitely made a profit. Now, the question you may be asking yourself is, well, how do I actually get these banners that I'm going to be placing on these highly trafficked websites? I'm not a web designer. I don't know how to create banners. Well, first of all, most of the Clickbank offers will have some sort of affiliate resource page, and a lot of these Clickbank offers actually provide banners for you. So you basically just kind of click on their affiliate page, and if they have banners and they're the size that this actual website owner is giving you, so you would have to find a banner that was 125 by 125, and then you can actually take that particular banner and then you can use that to place on their particular website. But if the vendor of the Clickbank product does not provide any banners, you can actually get banners created very cheap here at Fiverr.com. You can actually just pop over to Fiverr and you can just type in banners, and you can search for people that will create banners for you. I typically will go ahead and search up here by best selling, and then I will just basically kind of scroll down and look for people that will create banners for me. I can click on anybody in here. This says that I will create any Google size ad banner for you for $5. So for that particular offer, if you wanted to do the 125 by 125, that would be $5. You can actually kind of look at, what some of the banners that they've created in the past. You can kind of get an idea of their work. And then if you want to get more banners done, say you wanted to post banners on multiple different websites, you can see the standard option here. It says you would get 11 of the most popular Google ad sizes for $45. So you can actually get multiple of these images created for different sizes. And you can post those on different websites. So that's another thing that you can do if you wanted to do multiple ads. So I just popped back over to BuySellAds.com, and I wanted to show you guys something for those individuals that may be in the make money online niche, the affiliate marketing niche. The Warrior Forum is actually on this platform too. And you know that the Warrior Forum is super targeted if you're in the make money online niche. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of some things that you can do, if you do have a funnel that you've created and you're trying to get some targeted traffic to that funnel, you could actually have a banner created and put it on the Warrior Forum, because it's going to be super targeted. Now, as you can see here, they don't actually charge by the month, they charge by impressions. So for like the side banner at the Warrior Forum here, you could see it costs $7.50 per impression. And if you actually did the add to cart to that, you would see that it would cost you about $450 for estimated of 204,000 impressions. But again, this is super targeted. And if you do have a funnel and you're building your list and you have a good front end and a good back end, you could definitely, make a lot more than that with your funnel and your follow-up. So I wanted to show you guys this so you can not only use the site to just generate, immediate sales, but you can also use the site to go ahead and build your list and build a back end at the same time. So the key to actually making all of this work, if you're actually going to deploy the strategy of finding a Clickbank offer and just placing a banner on one of these websites here at BuySellAds.com, the key is actually finding the right website that's going to get a ton of targeted traffic, and then also finding an offer that you're going to make a good amount of money per sale. So you don't want to sell a Clickbank ClickBank offer that's only going to pay you $10 per sale, especially if you're spending $100 on the ad. You're going to want to promote something that's going to pay you $50 per sale, $100 per sale, so that when you make a couple sales, you can actually generate a profit. And once you've created a profit, then what you're going to do is you're going to try to throw as much money at that as possible, because you want to go ahead and scale up. You know, you're going to scale up so you can actually make as much profit as possible. So ideally, you're going to try to find a sweet spot. You're going to find that perfect website. You're going to find that perfect ClickBank offer, that perfect banner, and then you're going to scale it up. Once you have that perfect setup, you're going to scale that up, throw a lot of money at it, because you are going to be in profit mode. So this isn't going to be a strategy for somebody that's on a shoestring budget, because obviously there is going to be some testing and tweaking, trying to get the perfect banner created that's going to convert for the different websites that you're going to promote on. So it's not for somebody that's on a shoestring budget, but again, if you can get this right, you can really, really scale big. And this is a viable way that a lot of the big marketers, they're making a lot of money, because they're just finding these highly trafficked, highly targeted websites. They're placing their banners on them, and they're making a lot of money, right? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope everything made sense to you. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and be sure to check out my other video on how to make ClickBank sales without a website, a list, and YouTube videos. It'll be somewhere on this page. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.